Focus your awareness with your closed eyes on this music. You're not in a hurry. If you have enough time for yourself to relax at the level of your mind and body. Process you are undergoing is called as progressive muscular relaxation technique. With your eyes closed, be aware of your forearms. You start the technique. Make a fist of your hand. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Release and relax. Focus on your bicep muscles. Tight them. Flex at the level of biceps. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Release. Shift your awareness to your shoulder muscles, trapezius muscles. Raise your shoulders with elbows straight towards your ears. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Feel the letting go effect happening at the level of your muscles. Shift your awareness onto your forehead. Throughout the technique, you are going to keep your eyes closed and be focused on the inner world than external world. Raise your eyebrows up and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release. Feel the relaxation around your forehead. Shift your awareness onto your eyeballs, your strained eyes at the back of your glasses or without glasses. Feel it tight. Make it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release. Shift your awareness to your jaw. Open your mouth completely. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release. Shift your awareness onto your mouth. Make your mouth in the form of O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Shift your attention on your tongue. Curl your tongue upwards. Feel the tension around the tongue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Wonderful feeling. You're secreting good amount of good hormones, dopamine, serotonin, gamma aminobenzoic acid, endorphins, good happy feeling hormones in your body by taking your body into a natural phase of relaxation. Shift your awareness to your neck muscles. Pull your neck muscles, stretch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Gently shift your awareness to the chest area. Take a deep breath in and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Feel the letting go effect happening at the level of your chest and at the level of your mind, emotions. Gently keep your both hands on your tummy. Press it inwards. Hold this tight. Make your abdominal muscles tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Let go. Shift your awareness onto your buttocks and thighs. Tighten your buttocks and thigh muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly let go and release. Below knee till the tip of your toes, you are going to make the muscles below knee. Hold it tight. Feel the upward surge of energy and relaxation. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release and let go. Put your awareness with the closed eyes onto your toes. Say at the back of your mind that my toes are relaxed. My ankles are relaxed. My calf muscles are relaxed. My kneecap, thighs, buttocks are relaxed. My abdomen, chest, my entire upper extremity are deeply relaxed. My shoulders, my neck muscles, my head are relaxed. From the tip of your toes till the head, you observe with your closed eyes any tightness or tautness or stiffness of any muscles, tendons and ligaments, and mentally you are letting it go either by contracting and relaxing or just simply making it relaxed on your command. Go through. Circulate your awareness with your closed eyes onto your muscles of the body. Whichever strained muscles you can make out, and you let them set free to relax. Take your time, 30 seconds to 1 minute, to circulate your awareness with closed eyes to any part of your body which are strained. Back pain people, focus on the back. Gastritis, acidity people, focus on the stomach. Say at the back of your mind that good circulation is happening, my body is recovering, coming back to normal phase of recovery and normal functioning. Somebody having headache, focus your attention on the muscles of your head and neck and feel the letting go effect onto the neck. With the closed eyes, you could feel the relaxed self of yourself, as if you went into a phase of sleep for about 1 hour or so. You could get the same effect of the physical recovery with a simple 10 to 15 minutes of this practice. Gently being aware of your breathing. Breathing in, gentle abdomen bulges out, let it be gentle, smooth, comfortably relaxed. breathing out, you feel the abdomen sinking in. Be aware of this breath for about few breathing. It is called as mindfulness breathing. Just simply being aware of your breathing in and breathing out, nothing else. You are conserving much of your energy required to do rest of your work productively, efficiently, smilingly and happily, where you feel contented with your work and the employer will feel contented with the productivity of the team. With this, gently be aware of your body. Take one deep breath in, exhale completely. You feel that volume of the music has reduced and you are becoming more and more alert. Gently, you are rubbing your palms together with your eyes closed. Still, gently rub your palms, generate heat between your hands. Gently massage onto your forehead, cheek, chin, front of your ears, back of your ears, neck muscles, or any part of your body which you feel strained, neck or shoulders or knee. Slowly and gently open your eyes to the new world of relaxed awareness.
Have everyone
So how do you feel? You felt as if you slept for some half an hour. Is it? So this is you can use this technique just to synchronize your inner energies, both nervous system, autonomic, sympathetic or parasympathetic. Indirectly it is going to balance. So ultimately what we want is your spirit, your breath and body and mind should be aligned to do whatever work you want to do. Correct? So that is the basic foundation of your health. You know it, you take care of it. Any questions you want to ask, you can ask.
in a lot of these, in YouTube especially, there are a lot of these videos on meditation and meditation music. There is one thing that I've seen called binaural beats, which is supposed to again get you into a meditative state. So what is that actually? What does that kind of music do that?
You want a logical analysis or you want a feeling?
Both.
If you like some music, if it makes you relaxed, just use it. If you want to use it, it's the binaural musics are the one which usually patterned in such a way that it will focus on your. We have 4 brain waves: alpha, beta, theta, and delta. Beta is a normal brainwave activity. Alpha is a creative brainwave activity. Theta is a relaxed. What you feeling now is a theta brainwave activity. The relaxed phase of brainwave activity, and delta is a sleep. So alpha or delta, usually they use these 2 frequencies of music, maybe 4 hertz to 12 hertz. So this frequency range of music, they create a pattern which is at a regular frequency. Sometimes it will be beta and alpha at one particular time. You feel more hyper intense focusing. And suddenly at one point of time you feel suddenly let go and defocused. So that will be more of a theta brainwave music.
Okay.
So that can be binaural. 2 different audios can be combined in one particular phase to bring that relaxation in our body. We call it as a relaxation response. Take this note down. The relaxation response. is the one which we need for our body. For that you can use anything, either exercise or music or anything else. Whatever is there, your holiday, everything is in tuned in a way to make your body more in tune towards relaxation or going back to the normal phase of vibration. So binaural music you can use if you wish.
Yeah, because that music is not specifically very nice to hear. If you actually listen to it, it's not very pleasing. But there might have been some sign. So this is
one way usually they use. You can check with the BrainSync audio. There's one lady by name Dr. Kelly Howell, KELLY, HOWELL. BrainSync. Usually I use these techniques for different hypnotherapy practices. She was a neurophysiologist from USA, where her idea was brain waves and create a music for each. She created for many disorders. Anxiety, she created something. Active imaginations. If somebody is a designer, want to be more of imaginative mind, she has created many of those things. Somebody wants to have a total relaxation of sleep. Many musics and audios. So interesting. Happy to share these two techniques or three. Three techniques. One more you can, if you have 4 minutes time, one more I can teach you.
Sure.
It is called as the instant relaxation technique, where you are squeezing peripheral groups of muscles and bringing it towards the heart, where you, as if you are squeezing some of the waste metabolic products of your muscles from the blood. It is coming towards the heart, and the heart is supplying fresh oxygenated blood, and you feel refreshed. If you are feeling muscles are tired and you do either like this or you stretch, you do something. What you are doing is you are squeezing the muscles towards the heart. Muscles are squeezed and blood goes towards the heart. When you release fresh supply of muscles, blood comes back to the heart. So in this technique, what you use is just for 3 to 4 minutes. It is very fast and dramatic. So some of you may laugh also. So I will be saying that we started this progressive relaxation from the hands. This starts with the toes. It says tighten your toes. I'm going to make your toes tight. And tighten your ankles, keeping the toes tight. Tighten your ankles. Then tighten your calf muscles, keeping the other two tight. Then tighten your kneecap. Tighten your thighs. Tighten your buttocks. So entire leg is tight. Then abdomen. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. You're tightening the abdomen. Tightening the chest. Entire hands, but holding it tight, full tight. Then neck muscles, then face, eyeballs, holding your entire body tight. I'll say tighten one time, dramatic. Tighten, I'll say. The third time, tighten, you're holding full tight. Then suddenly you release, you feel a gush of blood supply to all the muscles at once. So you have washed out waste products of metabolism. Usually we call Lewis P factor, prostaglandins, Lewis P factor, lactic acid. Be accumulated in the muscles and it brings the tiredness. So it will be washed out and you feel fresh. So you come to the same sitting on the edge of the chair. This last one you can practice is n number of times whenever you are tired. Somebody is not well and still coming to office, lot of work. This kind of headache can be used any time. So I use my voice little dramatic, don't laugh. Or you want to laugh it now itself, I'll make you laugh. Which one? Now itself laugh and then relax. Then stand up, all of us stand. Make you laugh. Small excitement. This is interlocking the thumb and keeping it on the chest. We call it as Garuda Mudra. It looks like a eagle pose. But give a little space between each other, otherwise somebody will slap like this. A little bit like this. You are able to do this much. I call this as wow technique. Simple, funny. Breathing in while exhaling, you are going to say wow loudly, or you want to tease other person by saying wow. You're going to make like this, wow. If it is a teasy way, it will make it more joyous and bring your hands back onto the chest. I'll show you once, normal one. Take a deep breath in. Wow. Or fun way you want to make, you face each other. Make very funny face, funniest. If it is your HR or somebody, you can. Who is boss here? Eyes are here. You can focus on her. Make a funniest possible face that she don't mind at. Do you mind? I like a little fun. Or you want to face yourself, you can do it. Whichever you feel, whichever you want. You do 3 times. Take a deep breath in. Wow! Hands back. Somebody, security will come now. Take a deep breath. Wow! Feel your heartbeat is increased. Take one more last breath in. Wow! Back onto the chest and now sit down. So simplest thing is now छोटी बातें can make our voice throw their emotions out. So any of your emotions, if usually what we do is we tend to either keep it in our heart and it will be bothering you, or we'll try to throw it out on somebody else. You have your own emotional problems or family problems, somebody, your wife have troubled you, and you come to office, hey, so this one you can use it in indirect way to let your emotions out. We call it as a catharsis. Even though we have done it a funny way, there is the emotional letting it out. You're letting it out somewhere else neutrally, which makes you feel happy. The last technique, instant relaxation technique. We'll undergo, and then we'll wind up the session with some questions. Get ready? Sit in the same comfortable posture like this. You can do once or twice if you are not able to. Keep your eyes closed. Get ready for instant relaxation technique. Get ready. I'll focus on back, boys. Get ready. Tighten your toes, tighten your ankles, tighten your calf muscles, pull up your kneecap, tighten your thigh muscles, squeeze your buttocks, make a fist of your hand, tighten your forearm, tighten your arms, tighten your shoulders, take a deep breath in, exhale completely, tighten your abdomen, tighten your chest muscles, tighten your neck muscles, tighten your facial muscles, tighten your eyeballs, tighten your entire body, tighten, 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 and relax. Let go. We'll do one more time. Let go. You feel the change. I know it. Get ready. One more fast round of instant relaxation technique. Enjoy. Get ready. One more time. Tighten your toes. Tighten your ankles. Tighten your calf muscles. Pull up your kneecap. Tighten your thigh muscles. Squeeze your buttocks. Make a fist of your hand. Tighten your forearm. Tighten your arms. Take a deep breath in. Exhale completely. Tighten your abdomen. Tighten your chest muscles. Tighten your neck muscles. Tighten your facial muscles. Tighten your eyeballs. Tighten your entire body. Tighten. 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 And relax. Feel the letting go effect and recirculation of oxygenated glucose-rich blood into the muscles. You feel less lethargic and more active. Do you? Okay. Formally we are done. Anything you want to ask, you can ask or we'll wind up the session.
The first one which you did is a stress buster.
Want to redo it?
No, I'm saying the first one which you did was a stress relief.